How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another day of 7th grade math. Today we're going to be talking about how to find the lateral and the total surface area on a triangular prism. Now, if you want to know the basis of it, the background on it, you can go ahead and check the video about how I went over the lateral and total surface area of a rectangular prism. So don't forget to click the link on the video right there. Now, lateral, just like on the box. Okay, a triangular prism has two bases, and as the name calls it, it's a triangle. The base is going to be a triangle. The sides, however, are going to be rectangles. So let's go ahead and let's get this out of the way. And if you can see, I have already drawn this triangle, and we're going to go over it as well. So let's go ahead and put in the numbers that we need to know. So if you notice, this is a triangle. It's not equilateral because the sides are not the same. So what kind of triangle is that? So the height of this triangle is going to be 3 meters. The base for it is 5 meters. And the depth of this one is 10 meters. Now we also have the length height right there. Okay, so if I look at this right here, this is my 5 right here. The 3 goes right here. That's the height of the triangle. The side, this height right here, the length height is 4, and the depth, the distance between one and the other base is 10. Okay, so again, let's identify the bases. How many bases do I have? Well, I have this one and the same thing on the back. So I have 2, and they are triangles. So I'm going to label them. This is 5 and this is 3. Okay? The base and the height. And I need to find the area for this. I have 2 of them. Remember, you got to multiply. Whenever you find the area, find it, multiply times 2. Now, how many faces do I have? And are they all the same? This is where it's going to get a little tricky with triangles, and you got to be paying attention where the numbers are coming from. Okay, I have 3 faces. Okay, so one of them is going to be the one on the bottom. So I'm going to draw that, and I'm going to see what the numbers are. So if I look at the one on the bottom, what is this number right here? Right here. What is this number? Can anybody tell me? 5. Very good. Now, how deep is it? What's the distance between this base and the base on the back? What is this number? The triangle in the front and the triangle in the back. How far apart are they? This number right here. Remember, you have one of the triangles right here and the other one is over here in the back. How far are they apart? This is what you need to be able to recognize. What's the height of the prism right here? Okay, they are separated right here. How far is that? That is 10. Okay? Now, that's one of them. Now, the other one, I'm going to put it in blue. It's going to be this one on the side. How tall is it? Well, it's going to be as tall as the other one. But the side is how much now? Look at the side. What is this number right here now? What is that number right there? By the way, I think this is an isosceles triangle. 2 sides are the same. So what is this number right here? I already used the 5, so it cannot be 5. So what is this? It's the 4. So this rectangle is going to be 4 by also 10. Now, if that is 4, then that means that this one on the other side has also to be 4. So for the blue ones, I have 2 of the same. Right? Or you can redraw it on the side if you want to. So this is a 4 by 10. It doesn't matter. You can either add them all together or multiply the one that repeats times 2 or times 3, whatever. If it's an equilateral one, you're going to multiply. Now remember, the formula for the triangle is area equals base times height divided by 2. And for the rectangle, area equals base times height. Okay? We already know how to find the formulas. You are given the formula chart and it's on your notes, and you're gonna be given to you, it's gonna be given to you in every single test. So for the base, let's go ahead and find the area of that base, just like we did on volume. Area of the base. We gotta find the area of the base. Again, it's a 3 by 5, so it's a 5 times 3 and then divided by 2. So this is 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5 meters squared. That's for my base. The area of the base, B, equals 7.5 meters squared. Now for my rectangles, it's base times height. So if I look at the orange one, 5 times 10 is just 50. The blue ones, 4 times 10 is 40. And if one is 40, the other one is also 40. All I gotta do is add them up. So 50 plus 40 plus 40, how much is that gonna be? So the formula for the lateral surface area is gonna be my 3 faces. Faces only. So I found it, and it's right, let's wait for it, right here, right? My faces only. So it's 130 meters squared. Now my total surface area is equal to my lateral surface area, which we just found, plus 2 bases. Why 2 bases? Because I have 2 of them, one at the front and one at the back. Okay, we already discussed that right here. So my lateral surface area equals 130 plus 2 times 7.5. Why 7.5? Because B is 7.5, and you're gonna put it right there. So this is going to be 130 plus 15, which is gonna give you, for the total surface area, meters squared. So if you were to wrap this thing as a gift, you're gonna use 145 meters squared. Now you gotta be paying attention, because sometimes they're gonna say, well, I got a holder, a pencil holder, and I wanna, if you have a holder, it's not gonna have one of the bases. So what is the total surface area? Well, you gotta find the area for 1 base and the 3 faces, okay? Or they might ask you to find just the lateral surface area for this triangular prism. So do you really need to find the area of the base at all? No, you will only need to find the 3 sides, okay? Now, if they give it to you like this, as a net, you should be able to find the area for each of the rectangles and the bases, and then add them together, okay? Any questions about triangular prisms? Don't forget to check out the other video where I'll talk about lateral surface area and total surface area about a rectangular prism. If you learned something today, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, like, comment, share, and subscribe. That is it for today, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.